So good guys like me are big, and be a part of Scream Free Week by turning off all your screens and doing things outside.
Like what?
I'll show you. Come on.
Whoa!
You can do anything outside. Just turn off all your screens.
All my screens.
What? What are you looking at? Stop looking at me like that. I don't like the way you're looking at me. Whoa. What are you doing? Stop.
I'm free!